Hey salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back for another video, and this time I'm making chicken pilau, also known as chicken pilaf. It's a rice dish that is made using rich broth or stock. Now chicken pilau is one of those dishes that you can really enjoy with your family and friends, and if you have any guests coming over, this is a perfect dish to make for them. I'm gonna serve this chicken pilau with a really nice sauce. You're really gonna enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, first of all, I'm gonna start by soaking up the rice. I'm using here extra long basmati rice. These are roughly around 4.5 cups of rice. You want to soak basmati rice for around 30 minutes. Once you're done with soaking, wash, remove the excess starch and drain the excess water. We're going to make a rich chicken stock. I'm gonna start with an onion. 3 fingers on the onions, and this metal is gonna be your guide. We're also gonna use some of this garlic. Grab your mortar and pestle here with the garlic and ginger. You want to crush this into a fine paste. Something like that you're looking for. I'm using here chicken legs. If you want, you can use a whole chicken. Now in a pan, you want to add in the chicken, our thinly sliced onions, ginger and garlic, black pepper, garam masala, cassia bark or cinnamon stick, whole cloves, some of these curry leaves, a light touch of salt, oil. Now in with the water. This is roughly around 1900 ml of water. For every cup of rice, you want to use 1.5 cups of water. Give that a mix. Turn up the heat around medium. Cover and let this cook for around 30 to 40 minutes. And now let's have a look. Our stock is done. Looks nice and rich. Carefully separate the stock from the chicken. Leave the chicken to the side for now and set the stock to a side as well. For the main spice, mix in with 3 black cardamoms, whole black peppercorns, green cardamoms, some of these bay leaves, green cardamom powder, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, black cumin seeds. These are different to normal cumin. Finally, a good touch of salt. Set that to our side. Alright, let's get cooking. Turn up the heat to around medium-high. Here with a good touch of oil. Here with the onions. Give that a mix. And get a brown color on those onions. Cover for a few minutes to soften up those onions. Give that a mix. Once the onions have nice golden color, here with the garlic. Again, you want to mix this and cook the rawness of the garlic. Touch of water and cover this to kill the smell of that garlic. Here with the tomatoes. You can see everything is coming along. Here with the ginger and green chili, a really good mix to that. I'm going to cover for a few minutes to soften up those tomatoes. Let's check this. Give it a mix. If anything is sticking to the pan, you can always deglaze it using a touch of water. Perfect time to add our spices, except the cumin seeds. Give that a mix. You want to cook the rawness of these spices. Give it around 30 to 40 seconds. But we don't want to burn these spices, so use water if needed. Now throw in the chicken. Give that a mix. We want to get a nice color on that chicken. Cook it for a few minutes. This is the color that you're looking for. Amazing. Alright, now slowly add in the stock. Our beautiful, nice and rich stock. Give that a mix and bring this to simmer. This is the best time to check the salt as well. Now it's best to cover this. Let's check this. Now once it starts to simmer, we're gonna throw in our rice. Our beautiful basmati rice that was soaked in water. Give that a mix. And now you want to let this cook until there is some water left on the top. Again, you can just slightly cover this. Now you can see there is some water left on the top. At this point of time, I'm going to add in our black cumin seeds just on the top. Cover with a clean kitchen cloth. Place the lid on the top. Make sure it's nice and tight. And you want to let this steam for around 13 to 15 minutes on low heat. Alright, let's check this. Bismillah. Just turn off the heat. Look at those beautiful rice. For the sauce in with the tomatoes, some of these onions, green chili, handful coriander, samok, red chili, paprika, toasted cumin seeds, and a touch of salt, touch of water. Cover and blend this. Have a little taste if you like. Add in the yogurt, give that a mix. You want this to be nice and thick. Here goes some of this thinly sliced cucumber. Add in some of that sauce, touch of salt, and mix that in. Here with the rice. Bismillah. I guess I'm gonna try this. Add a bit of the sauce. Bismillah. So delicious. The rice is so rich in flavor. Let's take a bite of this chicken. Bismillah. So delicious. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.